In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw LinkedIn connection requests. If you've ever sent a connection invite by mistake, or you're just tidying up old pending requests, this quick walkthrough will help you clean your outreach and keep your profile looking professional. We'll start right from the beginning. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then open the official LinkedIn website from the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on your LinkedIn feed. From your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top navigation and click My Network. This section is where LinkedIn groups your connections, followers, and invitations. On this page, find the Invitations area and select Manage. This opens a dedicated manager view where you can see invitations you've received as well as the ones you've sent. By default, LinkedIn often shows the Receive tab. To find requests you've already sent, switch to the Sent tab. This is your list of pending outbound invitations that haven't been accepted yet. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the request you want to remove. It can help to scan for older invites or any you know were sent in error. When you've found the person you want to remove, click Withdraw next to their name. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm, just to make sure you're certain. Click Withdraw again to confirm. That's it. The invitation is now canceled and no longer pending. A few quick notes to set expectations. Withdrawing an invite doesn't send a special alert to the other person, but they may have already seen your original invitation notification before you canceled it. Also, LinkedIn may prevent you from resending a connection invite to the same person for a short period, often around 3 weeks, so plan your follow-up timing accordingly. If you have several old invites, it's a good practice to repeat this process and clear out any that have been pending for a long time. Keeping your sent list lean helps your outreach metrics and reduces the chance of hitting invitation limits. Going forward, consider adding a short, relevant note when you connect, so people recognize why you're reaching out. This tends to improve acceptance rates and minimizes the need to withdraw later. To recap, open LinkedIn, go to My Network, choose Manage, switch to Sent, select the invite you no longer want outstanding, click Withdraw, and confirm. Simple, fast, and a great way to keep your professional network tidy.